In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a referral report in GA4 and Looker Studio, a skill that's invaluable for analyzing your website's referral traffic and understanding which external sources are driving visitors to your site. First, let's connect GA4 to Looker Studio. After heading to Looker Studio, you'll want to add a data source. This will allow you to visualize your referral traffic effectively. One of the most useful ways to do this is by utilizing the session source/medium dimension alongside a filter specifically for referral. This setup will immediately point out the referring sites. Don't forget to add key metrics like sessions and conversions to your analysis for a more comprehensive view. Once you're in Looker Studio, the next step is to simply click on Create. After that, choose Report from the option, which will set the stage for your referral report. Moving along, you'll click on Google Analytics to start the integration process. If prompted, make sure to authorize Looker Studio so that you grant permission to access your GA4 account and property. Then in the top right corner of the interface, you'll see the Connect button. Click that, and don't forget the final step here. Click Add to Report, which securely links your data. Now we proceed to the fun part, actually building the referral report in Looker Studio. In your newly created report, look for the option to add a chart and select Table from the available choices. This will form the backbone of your referral report. In the data panel of your table, change the dimension to session source/medium, which categorizes your traffic by its origin point. To refine this data strictly to referral traffic, it's crucial to add a filter. Click on Add a Filter, then opt for Create a Filter. Give your filter a meaningful name like referral traffic. To keep things organized, you'll want to set this filter to include where the session medium contains the word referral. Save this filter and apply it to your table. At this point, you should add your desired metrics to the table. Consider including values such as sessions, views, event count, or conversions to offer a robust analysis of how each referring source is performing. This step ensures that you're getting a comprehensive picture of your traffic and its impact. Alternatively, or in addition to Looker Studio, you can use the GA4 interface directly. Navigate to the Traffic Acquisition Report within GA4. Once there, change the primary dimension from the default channel group to Session Source at Medium. Inside the data table, use the search bar to filter for the term Referral. This will streamline your view to display only the traffic sources that are referral-based, giving you a straightforward yet effective way to monitor your website's referral traffic. By using these tools and strategies, you'll be well equipped to leverage the insights gained from your referral report.